Hi, this is Leslie.
I'm Lexi.
We're here to talk specials, May and June color
Yes,
specials.
it's starting to get warm out. We're feeling like you want to put bright colors and fun colors on your clients' nails. So what's the special, Les?
It is for the month of May and the month of June. If you go to the Light Elegance website, we have 200 colors that are 30% off. I said 30% off. And that goes, some of them are in P+, some of them are in buttercream, some of them are in color gels. But what we thought was, my gosh, it's time to get outside and splash some color, whether it's on your nails or your toes. We're giving you a great deal so that you can go in and buy some new colors and get your clients out there feeling good and keeping them looking good in the nail and toe.
Especially when you're wearing flip-flops.
That's
You know,
right.
you want those toesies looking good, your nails looking good. It's the time of year where you show a little bit more skin, so it's perfect. And what I love about this special as well is we have never done 30% off. We have done 20, maybe 25 in the past, but we have never done 30. So this is really special. This is a huge savings, so you will not want to miss it.
Nope. So go to the website, lightelegance.com, and go get your color. Well, get a few more than just one, and get your 30% off May and June.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye.